Our 7-week adventure began with a whirlwind trip from Orlando to London. Are you gonna fit, Greg? We're in the UK.
I'm sure I will. Oh yes, a little tiny shower.
To the historic streets of Athens. But before we embarked on our 7-day Mediterranean cruise, there were moments that were amazing. And some that didn't go quite as planned. We decided not to go see the Parthenon. There were a lot of people, and Greg was like, no. Now with Athens behind us, let's dive into our 7-day Mediterranean cruise adventure. We have arrived. There's our boat. B717. Latch up. All right, Tay, let's watch the safety video.
Receive credit for what?
How do you get up there? It's even better in the picture.
That's a
Oh, yeah.
on his lobbies. One at the store.
It is day 2 and we have just arrived to Santorini. It's our first time experiencing going to a port from a cruise in an incredibly busy place.
4 cruise ships here, including ours, so it is going to be a busy day. So let's see how this goes.
We are not doing the planned excursions with the cruise. We're going to keep it minimal today, and we're in line.
The viewpoint of taking.
We are in Oya, the famous popular blue domes. Taylor, come on down.
Damn.
Let's see how they handle getting people back to the boat. That line was way longer than I expected. A lot of people cutting the lines. It's 4 cruise ships and we're all blended trying to get back onto our boats. Wrapping up day 2, first port day in Santorini. You a pirate? Oh, I can try it on. I just finished my workout and then Greg and I tag team, so I got my gym time in and then now I'm gonna swap with him so he can get his gym time in.
That's pretty funny.
We are in Kotor, Montenegro, our 35th country. We actually don't have a ton of time today. It's a shorter day on this port day. We're going to attempt to walk up to the fort. I don't know if we'll make it to the top because we have a little one and it looks pretty high. Where? He's a walking. When you're traveling with kids, you know, this is like awesome for Greg and I, but for her, she's like, where are the kitty cats, right? So we have a goal. She wants to find 20 kitties. We are at 4. All right, that's 7. Where's the 8th kitty? It's 8, 9, 10 kitties. So we got 10 more to go. Number 11. 12. We've finished our count. It's because I got food. So we made it to the top of the fortress. So we are wrapping up port day number 2. We are going to head back to the boat. It's been about 4 hours. We climbed to the fort, back down, and had a really nice lunch. Traveling with a little one, be more intentional with what we choose, knowing that she's gonna get way more tired than we will. Said at least give yourself an hour to get onto the ferry back onto the boat so you don't miss the last boat. Today is port day number 3. We are in Messina, Sicily. So it's actually 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Greg and I had a little bit of a different morning. We had a really important call because we do travel and work at the same time. We're actually a little bit tired right now, so we're just going to head in just for about an hour. Our plan is for Taylor to try gelato for the first time. Do you see chocolate? Thank you. All right. That was our one activity in less than an hour. Now we're actually heading back. We are actually going to Naples tomorrow for port day number 4. That is where we will get our Italian experience. Taking a one-way bus from Naples to Pompeii. Getting off the port was like crazy. Like we were getting haggled by the taxi drivers. We've literally been on this bus for an hour and we just saw our cruise ship. Still heading to Pompeii. 2.5 hours later, we have finally arrived into Pompeii. It's literally on 14 miles.
This is the ultimate minimalism example. We do nothing for 2 hours. Bus ride.
Bus ride. That
Don't
was
recommend it.
We were told, I don't know if it's true or not, that the president was in town. We have to leave here at a certain time or else we won't make it back on our boat. We are not going to go see the ruins simply because we don't have time. We are going to choose a nice restaurant. I actually reserved a table on the bus. So that is our one thing today that we're gonna do in Pompeii. And then we will probably have to head back, whether we do the bus, which leaves at 3, or we will do a one-way taxi. Is that good? Yummy? She likes it. Looks like our taxi driver is actually taking us kind of like a port side route. It's only been 15 minutes and we're actually almost there. Maybe we should have taken the taxi to give us more time in Pompeii. So we got here in 20 minutes, definitely triple the cost to do that, but we just didn't want to risk not getting on our boat. So, whew, I think we're gonna make it now.
So thoughts on the Princess Cruise. The best thing about this cruise is this thing that they call the medallion. And basically what it is this lanyard that you put around your neck and it has like this little air tag thing. It's got your name on it and all your information. When you approach your cabin door, it opens the door for you. But the best part of it is the tracking features. If you order a drink from the Princess app, or food, or whatever you want, the staff will know exactly where you are on the ship at any time and will proceed to bring your order directly to you. Another cool feature about it is all the staff has a tablet on them. They know what your name is because of the proximity of the medallion to them. You'll walk up to the bar and they'll be like, "Hey Greg, what could I get you today?" Another cool thing were the excursions. So something that's important to think about is the pace. If you want a faster pace, it's fine, but there's a lot of people. The excursions are really great. We went to some of the most beautiful parts in the Mediterranean. It's just something to be aware about, is how many people you're comfortable being around. We loved the layout of the ship too. So the design of the ship and the layout of it made it feel like you weren't as crowded. Where some of the other cruises we've been on, the layout and the design of the ship made it feel a little bit more cramped. That's about that.